KNPP Kadei ban thepno ya ka jingpin yebe ka ba shipor ka Jingïatreilang Shwa ka Ilekshon MP bat ka BJP da ka ba ong ba ka Jingïatreilang halor ka la kutno ha ka sni thepwot ka badai ka khat kanda jrik jong yayong mentau snam KNPP ka don ka jingkinmen ba watla ka la don ka jingkinno da ki sign pertai ba ka NPP bat BJP ki long ka ju ki nong thepwot ki la thepwot da ka jingkit kli ong state president KNPP ba president ten song ha ka sni balang.
Well, we do have confidence. We still have faith that this time again NPP will win both the seats, Shillong and Tura parliamentary constituency, and I'm very hopeful that both the seats will win. And I'm very sure even the voters understand. I think before going to their concerned polling station, they would have thought it properly, irrespective of the allegation made by any political party against, especially against NPP, by saying that NPP is BJP, BJP is NPP. Let me tell you one thing. This allegation, it is ended the last day of that thing, the last day of their polling up to 4 o'clock. There was no more issue as far as BJP or NPP. Now people started coming to us, hey, we need development, we need development. If we really see that people are scared of NPP, by saying that NPP is BJP, I don't think they will come to Secretariat and asking any kind of developmental project or developmental activities. Because why? That issue is temporary, and that issue is only an election issue to any political party.